How does it work? Rain. Did you know that rain begins as tiny water droplets in clouds? When warm air rises, it cools, and the moisture in the air condenses around tiny particles like dust, salt, or pollen. This forms droplets, and as they join together, they get heavier until they're ready to fall as rain. Another cool fact, rain droplets grow in size through a process called coalescence, where smaller droplets merge to form larger ones. When they're heavy enough, gravity pulls them down to Earth, and did you know? The cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation keeps this water recycling endlessly, making rain a crucial part of Earth's water cycle. Like and subscribe.